Every day on social media, I see people who use has, have, and had wrongly. You may think that it doesn't matter, but I tell you, the wrong use of verb will make you appear as someone who has a poor understanding of English grammar. It will also make you confuse your listeners and your readers. That is why this lesson has become imperative. I am Jane Francis, and it is my job as an English teacher to help you avoid these mistakes and speak English with confidence. So, today I'll break down the difference between has, have, and had, why people misuse them, and how you can avoid that mistake forever. A lot of people know that has and have mean the same thing. They are used to show possession and they're used to talk about experience. But what some people don't realize is that who you're talking about, that is the subject, decides the verb you use. A singular subject takes a singular verb. A plural subject takes a plural verb. So when someone says he have a car, he's mixing it up. It may look like just one wrong word, but it makes the sentence ungrammatical and weakens the speaker's credibility. Let's fix it. Use has when you're talking about a singular subject. So when you're talking about he, she, it, or one person or one thing, you use has. Example, he has a car. He has 2 pens. She has a new phone. My brother has a house. Mary has a cat. Have is used with I, you, we, and they. Okay? I can say I have a car. You have a car. We have 2 cars. They have 3 cars. So when you're talking about I, you, we, they, you use have. All right? So you use have when you're talking about plural subjects, the second person pronoun, that is you, and the first person pronoun, I. Had. This is where many people also get it wrong. Had is used to talk about past tense, no matter who you're talking about, whether singular or plural, as long as you're talking about something that happened in the past. Someone may say, yesterday I have a headache, but that is wrong. So instead of saying, I have a headache yesterday, you say, I had a headache yesterday. Had is for past tense, no matter who you're talking about, no matter the subject. So let's look at these examples. John had oats for breakfast at 7 a.m. They had a football match last week. Now let's compare. When you're talking about a singular idea and something that is happening in the present, you use has. So we can say she has a car, right? When you're talking about a plural idea and also something that is happening in the present, something that is happening at the moment, something that is still relevant in the present, you use have. So we can say we have a car. But when you're talking about something that happened in the past, you use what had. So we can say we had a car last year. It happened in the past. And we are using a plural form also here. Had is used to talk about both singular and plural sense. Has, singular, have, singular and plural, while had, singular, plural, all of them. And that's it, guys. You see, using has, have, and had isn't as hard as it seems. Once you know who you're talking about, that is the subject, and whether it's in the present or past tense, the choice becomes easy. I hope this lesson cleared your confusion and gave you the confidence to use these words in your everyday conversations. If you enjoyed learning with me today, do not stop here. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share with your friends so we can keep learning together. And remember, every time you speak or write good English, you open new doors for yourself. My name is Jane Francis, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.